In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at opportunities in Cuba and how one Jamaican company is looking to that market for growth. Here is TVJ's Dashan Hendricks with the details.
An exploration tour. Cuba's ambassador visiting the St. Andrew-based tissue producer, San Myrna Paper Products. Its director, Mark White, reacting.
It's a honor in having you here.
But for the Cuban ambassador, the visit was about business.
This is a good opportunity because we would like to increase our imports from the Jamaican markets.
The Cubans have been sending delegations to Jamaica, the last one arriving in the country in April. And San Myrna, one of the companies targeted for products the Cuban market needs.
We are a manufacturer of toilet tissue and towels, napkins, medical rolls, and anything in the paper products line.
The most famous of the company's brand is Sophie, a range of tissue, napkins, and hand towels. The hope is that the visit of the Cuban ambassador will give the company a fillip in getting into its market.
And if the opportunity arises where we can do business and export to Cuba, would welcome it.
And in a market many times the size of the one it now operates in.
Cuba is a market of 11 million people. I would say this is the biggest market in the Caribbean.
We used to export to Trinidad, but now we're focusing on the Jamaica market. But if the opportunity arises, yes, we'll take it up.
He said he is hoping to tap into the Cuban market as quickly as possible. No timeline for doing so was offered. But for Cuba, the opportunities being sought are not only in manufacturing.
We are looking for a lot of opportunities. And you know, I could say that the Caribbean is our national market because we are neighbors, so we have to look inside of our markets and then we have to look in other places, in other markets.
Her country, entering a new era, is opening up. Economic development, the aim. And the ambassador is saying her country is ready for international investors, including those from Jamaica.
Anyone can come and invest in Cuba, of course. Every country has its own rules and its own procedures, and you have to respect or you have to follow our procedures. Jamaica has its own procedures, Russia has its own procedure, China has its own procedure, and Cuba has its own procedures. So what you need to do is just to respect our procedures.
For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.